Hello students, today I am taking the topic equation of a line in 3D. Equation of a line through a given point A and parallel to a given vector B. Now we want to find the equation of a line, this AP, which is passing through a given point A. Means the OA is vector OA is vector A and it is parallel to another vector B. So the equation of the line will be R vector equals to A vector plus lambda B vector, where lambda belongs to real number. So in this way, with the help of this formula, we can find the equation of a line. For example, if the vector A is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and there is another vector here which is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 5k cap. We can take any vector for that matter. Then what will be the equation of the line? The equation of the line in vector form. The equation of line in the vector form will be R vector equals to I cap, 2j cap and 3k cap plus lambda B, and B is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 5k cap. It is like this. So that is the vector form. And the Cartesian form, the formula for the Cartesian form is x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B, and z minus z1 upon C, where x1, y1 and z1 is the point. What is that point here? It is 1, 2 and 3. And what is the value of A, B, C? These are the direction ratios of the vector through which the line is parallel. So A is A, B is minus 2 and the value of C is 5. So the answer is x minus 1 upon 3, y minus 2 upon minus 2 and z minus 3 upon 5. So in this way we can find the equation of the line in the Cartesian form, and here 3, minus 2 and 5, these are the direction ratios of the line. With the help of this even we can find the direction cosine and the other things we can do. And here 3, minus 2 and 5, here this is because this line is parallel to this vector. So whatever will be the direction ratio of this vector, that will be the direction ratio of the line also. You see here, this is our required line, and this line is parallel to this line, parallel to this vector, and passes through this point. The coordinate of this point is 1, 2 and 3. That is the point. And here this P is any point xyz whose vector is R vector. So in this way we can find the equation of the line. I hope this part is clear to you. There are two type of equation of the line. First is passes through a given point and parallel to a given vector, and the second form of the line is the equation of the line which passes through two given points. That I am going to explain you now. That is the next part. Hello students, now you see the second form of the line. Equation of a line passes through two given points, and these points are, the first is x1, y1, z1, and the second point is x2, y2 and z2. So the equation of the line in the Cartesian form. First I am taking Cartesian form. The equation of the line in the Cartesian form is x minus x1 upon y minus y1 upon and z minus z1 upon. Now you see here A, B and C. So what will be the direction ratio of the line joining these 2 points that we already studied? So x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. So in this way we can find the equation of the line passes through 2 points, and if the position vector of A point is A vector and the position of B point is B vector, then the vector form of the line will be, see this now, R vector equals to A vector plus lambda B vector minus A vector. See this formula. So in this way we can find here A vector will be, suppose I am taking an example here, 1, 2 and 3. Then the A vector will be I cap, 2 j cap and 3 k cap. And the second point is B point, suppose 7, 9 and 10. Then the B vector will be 7 I cap, 9 j cap and 10 k cap. Then what will be the equation of the line in the Cartesian form? I am explaining you with the help of this example now. The equation of the line in the Cartesian form will be, please see this now. It is x minus 1, y minus 2 and z minus 3 upon 7 minus 1, that is 6, 9 minus 2, that is 7 and 10 minus 3, that is 7. So that is the equation of the line in the Cartesian form. And what will be the equation of the line joining these 2 points in the vector form? So it is r equals to I cap, 2j cap, 3k cap plus lambda b minus a vector, that is 6i cap, 7j cap and 7k cap. See these two. So in this way, even you can see the relation between, we can convert the Cartesian form in the vector form and we can convert the vector form in the Cartesian form also. And if there is an objective here, what is the direction ratio of this line? Then it is 6, 7, 7 or 6, 7, 7, B vector. And here it is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. This is the simplest part of the 3D, that is the equation of the line passes through 2 points. And earlier I explained you the equation of the line passes through single point and parallel to a given vector. So whatever will be the direction ratio of that vector, that will be the direction ratio of the line also. So in this way, these are 2 forms of the equation of the line. In the next videos, I will explain you how to find the angle between the line and the shortest distance between the line. Thank you.